Hi, I'm David Schleifer. I'm Chief Operating Officer for Primestream. And if you don't know Primestream, we are a dynamic media management company focused really on delivering solutions that help you from capture, production, management, and delivery of all of your assets. And here at IBC, we've got a lot of new technology. Basically, all of it comes from our discussions with customers and figuring out how to get them in the cloud, how to deal with IP streaming for them, and how to build solutions that really help them move their requirements forward, making it easier for them to be able to deliver to their customers in turn. So we've got a lot of stuff here at the show, and basically you can come in, see it in our booth, and be able to get in-depth demonstrations that really focus on VR 360, for example, or project-centric workflows where you can look at how you can move complete projects, start them in one country perhaps, and finish them in another. We also have a technology demo around IP streaming that shows us managing all kinds of streams from MPEG-Dash or HLS all the way through SMPTE 2022. So everything from broadcast to the kinds of streams you might see on a Periscope feed. And basically the requirements are such that everything's changing. We need to be that Swiss Army knife, if you will, that captures all of that. Yeah, here we are just able to basically use our Exchange browser, which could be in the cloud or it could be on-premise, and it allows us to go and either go into smart bins, which are automatically generated, and they can include everything from locations or media type or activity, and be able to access that media. You can drop it into an edit session. Let's say you're using Adobe Premiere. We're integrated with that, and able to call those assets in and manage them all directly from our system or from your nonlinear editor. So it's a lot of power. So it's a lot of power that allows you to basically integrate your workflows directly with the craft tools that you have to get your product on air faster and with less training. So we're going to start here with a concept of a workspace, which is something that you can set up and customize in your environment. And it can include everything from custom layouts, which you can build, and you can create buttons, files. The entire layout on the screen is customizable. Or if we pick a layout that's there, we would see how somebody's already set it up. Either for, this is for some very intensive logging or for data entry for asset management. But the system's flexibility is such that what you need is what you can actually see on screen, and different users can get different views of the product. Now, if you're just using the standard interface, we can go into search and be able to just come in and look for any assets or find them already look at them by either different asset types or find them already pre-selected or pre-organized, if you will, categorized into what we call smart bins. And of course you can access that media. You can actually create clips and subclips, and then take those clips and subclips, name them, and then to be able to create a list of those that you would send to an editor or an edit session. And as I mentioned before, we're integrated with Avid, Media Composer, with Adobe Premiere, with other editing products, Final Cut Pro, that will allow you to finish those projects, if you will. And as mentioned before, those projects can be collaborative and can be shared with other users via the cloud or just directly.